Ever pondered over the magic behind your favorite apps? How do they function so smoothly, translating your taps into actions? Well, the answer lies in the art of coding. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of coding, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Now imagine a world where everyone speaks a different language and there's no common way to communicate. Chaotic, isn't it? That's exactly what a computer would feel if there weren't any programming languages. These languages are the bridge between humans and machines, enabling us to give instructions to computers. Coding, at its core, is about problem solving. It's about breaking down complex problems into smaller tasks that a computer can understand and execute. It's like cooking a recipe where you follow a specific set of instructions to get the dish you want. To begin coding, one needs to learn a programming language. There are many to choose from, like Python, Java, and C++, each with its own strengths and uses. Python, for instance, is known for its simplicity and is often the first choice for beginners. Just like learning a new spoken language, the first step is to understand the syntax, the set of rules that define how programs written in a language are structured. It's like grammar in English. If you get the syntax wrong, the computer won't understand your instructions, much like how a sentence with poor grammar can confuse people. Next comes the concept of variables. Think of variables as boxes where you can store information that you'll use later. This could be anything from a single number to a string of text. And then there are functions, the building blocks of any program. A function is a piece of code that performs a specific task. It's like a machine in a factory. You put something in, it does some work, and then it spits something out. Control structures such as loops and conditionals are also vital. Loops allow a piece of code to be repeated several times, while conditionals enable the program to make decisions based on certain conditions. Finally, debugging is an essential skill. Bugs are errors in the code that cause the program to behave unexpectedly. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing these bugs, a bit like playing detective in your own code. So to recap, coding is a way to communicate with computers using programming languages. It involves understanding syntax, working with variables and functions, using control structures, and debugging. Remember, learning to code is like learning any other skill. It takes time, practice, and patience, but with perseverance, anyone can learn to code and unlock a world of possibilities. So, the next time you use your favorite app, know that there's a lot of coding magic happening behind the scenes, and who knows, maybe one day you could be the magician behind such an app. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of coding. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.